turn on the bike, you first have to turn on the battery switch. And then press and hold this button here. You got a beautiful color LCD screen. There are 5 speed levels on this bike. And to increase the power level, you press the plus button, level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But these 5 power levels only applies to pedal assist. It does not apply to the throttle. The throttle always runs at maximum power. It doesn't matter if you're on level 5 or on level 1. The only level that applies to the throttle is when you're on level 0. That means there's no power going to the throttle, and there's no power going to the pedal assist. We got 2 buttons on the side. One button is for the lights, for the headlight. The other one is for showing the information on the screen. So if I press this button here, it will show the odometer, maximum speed, average speed, trip, and back to odometer. To reset the information on the screen, you press and hold the I button, which is this button on the side, and the negative button. It will reset the information you see on the screen. Just like a car, you cannot reset the odometer, right? On this bike, you can only reset the trip. So I'm on odometer. I press and hold these 2 buttons. It will reset, but that's for the trip only, not for the odometer. My odometer is still 1 mile. There is also a walk mode on this bike. If you press and hold this negative button, you see the person with the bicycle logo on the left side of the screen. This is for walking up a hill or up a ramp, and the maximum speed is 3.6 miles per hour. So it will help you walk the bike uphill. Release and it will turn off. The user interface on this screen is very user-friendly, intuitive, and easy to use.